Start. Silent does not mean inactive. Stop. In fact, some of the most patient, consistent, and highly productive employees fall into this category. Stop. They may not dominate meetings, broadcast every achievement, or fight for the spotlight, but their quiet persistence is often what keeps an organization running smoothly. Stop. These are the people who absorb pressure without complaint, who study the ship during storms, and who work with dedication when no one is watching. Stop. They are not silent in their output, only in their demand for recognition. Stop. Para. In the race for organizational success, we often prioritize those who are outspoken, who can rally teams with bold ideas, or who are quick to claim victories. Stop. While such individuals bring value, the silent owners, the ones who handle day to day operations, absorb crisis, maintain steady performance, and often carry the emotional and mental weight of challenges are often forgotten in the process. Stop. These employees don't require constant validation. Stop. They are often self motivated, reliable, and highly efficient, yet their lack of vocal demands may cause their contributions to go unnoticed. Stop. Para. This becomes problematic when they face burnout, feel neglected, or when their dedication is taken for granted. Stop. Just because they are silent in their needs doesn't mean they don't have them. Stop. The organization needs to ask, are we doing enough for these individuals? Stop. Are our policies, systems, and support structures truly set up to help them succeed? Stop. Moreover, we must be mindful of the tendency to expect greatness from these silent performers without providing the necessary tools, resources, or support. Stop. We often demand high results, but are the silent owners truly equipped to meet those expectations? Stop. Are the systems in place to support them when challenges arise, or are they left to face the storm alone? Stop. Have you bound the silent contributors tightly to policies and rules, ready to impose penalties when they deviate, yet failed to create policies that recognize and appreciate them when they give extra time and go beyond their duties? Stop. Para. Organizations must actively explore ways to support and protect their silent workers. Stop. To create an effective organizational culture that recognizes and nurtures these individuals, a thoughtful, proactive approach is required. Stop.